Hi everyone, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel and another brief Blythe doll update. As you may know from previous videos I've posted, the Good Smile Company is now producing our much loved stock Blythe dolls. And while I have not purchased any of these dolls myself yet, I have heard good news and good reviews about their quality, which is great to hear. So far, there have been 2 releases since Good Smile took over from Takara. Song of London Mary came out in February of 2022, and Float Away Dream, the girl with the blue hair, was released in April of 2022. So that means our next release that is coming out will be for May 2022, and many collectors are very excited about her. She's called Blue Rabbit, and she has a Mori girl style to her. Mori girl is a Japanese term for what I would consider a boho nature type of girl. She typically wears loose clothing. It's kind of drapey, layered, often has bits of lace or similar detail to her. Hello Arden is a re-release doll of Hello Again, and she is an example of a Mori type doll. In fact, I'll try to remember to put a link up above or in the comments or something. I did an unboxing of Hello Arden, and I do have her in my collection, but she's an example of what would be considered a Mori style. So far, at least at the time of this filming and posting of this video, there are no photos of Blue Rabbit. We just have the drawings for right now, but of course, as usual, Junko Wong is teasing us with photos on her Instagram account. BlytheDoll.com in the news section has the following information about her. The air is fresh and crisp this morning as I take a stroll in a field of wildflowers and butterflies. The sweet scent of the lily of the valley fills me with happy thoughts when suddenly a blue rabbit hops by. Nature is always full of amazing surprises. So that was her little narrative, and this next descriptive paragraph is also from the website. Blue Rabbit is a fashion line with a nature feel that gets its inspiration from nature. The white one-piece dress has a variety of textured fabrics layered with a textile apron dress with blue rabbits and butterflies. The base is lily of the valley with flowers. She wears a semi-long petticoat in the dress. The head accessory has a clover accents on tulle with a hemp basket bag. She is perfect for a walk in the meadow. She wears green socks and black strappy shoes. And according to the website, her stats are as follows. Her face type is Radiant Evolution in the color Fair. She has light brown hair that is long with a loose perm and bangs. Yes, I know, perm and bangs. Yikes. That's me. That's not the website, by the way. Okay, so she has light green eyeshadow and salmon pink lips and cheek, and the eye color is a special light brown in a forward gaze. So far, all we know is that she comes out in May, and she will retail on the Junie Moon online shop for around $165 US. We don't know if there will be a lottery or if she will be available for everyone to purchase or not. I'm actually trying to find that out right now through some underground contacts that I have. So while I have you, please give this a thumbs up and consider subscribing as well if you haven't already. That way also you will get notifications about any future updates I have on my channel. And typically if I find information about Blythe doll releases, I will post them on my community tab. That way I can get it out there super duper quick. Personally, I think this is going to be a very popular release. If the price that they're quoting right now is true, it is very reasonable considering how many of these dolls have been closer to 200 US. So I think between that, the fact that she's the 3rd one of the Good Smile Company dolls that's coming out, so she's an early release for them. And also just the Mori girl style tends to be quite popular. She has fabulous looking stock. And from what we have seen with the 2 previous releases, they have really upped their game as far as the Blythe doll stock. So I'm predicting she's going to be popular, which is good and bad. It's good because, of course, we want to have Good Smile and Junko Wong and Junie Moon. We want to make sure that everybody prospers when it comes to this doll and they can keep making these dolls. But then, of course, the bad part is it can be difficult to get dolls once they get really popular. So hopefully, I'm really hoping there is not going to be a lottery and she'll be available for everybody to purchase on her initial release, her initial pre-order. So like I said, make sure you keep an eye on my community tab. I tend to use that and post quick bits of doll news. about Blythe and anything else that I think my viewers might be interested in. If I hear anything new about Blue Rabbit, I will do my best to post it over there as soon as possible. As usual, I appreciate your time. Thanks for stopping by and supporting my channel, and thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.